complain don't meet we. King Kong, I swear, this not sweet we.
Okay, let we go.
They mean the machine where they go take na machine where they kill people, eh?
The way how they deal with people and they end up sweet way.
And that case snap and by road where the same thing happen. Now they say for talk about now.
Then they make a mix up.
Well, not listen, but not listen.
Yes. And not to that no more. The highway they go back themselves. Eh?
Now empty video, you see.
Now just doctor and show it. No. But wait. I talk it up to
Khadija in case.
Khadija in case.
Not to that picky where they be alleged say they rape them, police they investigate.
In fact, one of the brother do the business to them. But that case they open special court for them, but the way how they chasing that, not with me.
So per other protest where people they protest, where black protest for make we get proper justice in that particular case.
That have been just the latest way for do publicity, for do street rally.
Okay, let me go. But wait, so LJ, Ackman, I Tribe, according to this song, they say complain don't meet them.
Yeah.
Don Ackman say King Kong, I swear this is not sweet me.
No.
But from when they say this complaint meets them, when they do this short trailer of this music, they send on YouTube, Facebook, now all the platform them. Nothing again will not concern in this song. You get idea or waiting?
So we continue.
So we continue when?
I really say the mommy and the pa don't call them. So that complaint when they say don't meet and they don't go explain who's kind of complaint, then the pa don't say okay, TRS go look inside. They will not just wait some more go handle and well.
But with the complainants, we still wait for this complaint. They wait for Georgia, then are the magistrate in this matter. So if the complaint don't come, up to now they know would pass judgment. At least they now say brown envelope don't pass. Now the corner.
Not to anything where they put into suspense. Now brown envelope pass. Sometimes they complain not complete yet. No. I don't know if my young lady or that they beat this particular song. The engineer not there.
No, I don't be say the engineer get much problem pan this. Me the only thing what they see. Like LJ you be no politics at times, you know what I mean? But like Ackman now and I Tribe, I can see by they can't throw this boat.
No, but they not do nothing. They say I want pull music, they not pull again a crime. I don't think saying a crime, they not feel for do anything again.
The people there. Now this the happen with your artists there. It look like say salon music don't jump into politics so.
No to that deal. If na me self I take them do something, you know say right now, when you do something, if you know they in the favor of the caretaker and the mommy,
They're not start time because you as an artist you get for stay neutral.
No, but wait. Normally, when people they want for pro music, artists them, they can just release the song. But if you see you hit small or more, you say to be continued. That means that you expect that they call you and then they lock you out. Baba.
So who that's not the musician now Sierra Leone we had. Who that not the musician now we had. What we feel say it able sing for we the people them because Emma Simboka we be above small. Instead na so it come up away, it just sound like way fire the come on at the other side road. No way again for go take water for count out the fire. Now the other one they don't to the same thing.
The pa Emerson say the people they get coconut aid. We all. They say we get coconut aid.
But according to 18, no, it's like nine get popo because coconut better way for them. You know they was but popo as reach na gone so.
It depends if they coconut no for no pack back Anyway, this is just a question one for ask. I Tribe, Ackman, and Colamba. King Boss
LA.
Yeah, una answer we. Wetin don happen with this song? For say the hard drive wey dem put am, the computer na the studio, e don unbug, or for say the how dem call am, the engineer?
I know.
The one wey sometimes they all beat the song, e die o.
You know, the producer or the engineer,
then,
we don't know who that get problem. The artist there.
The book who said them be write a loss. Then the memory card will be then at the aid. Who said them be story the lyrics them instead don't crash. This now we heard for
the sound card back in the studio where LJ tell me say don't scratch. So the music will go before again.
Anyway, we just want to ask this few questions, yeah. Help in at the comment section. Today we just decide for day this kind of mood. Honestly, I don't know. Now, one we want cancel just for can satisfy una. You know easy. As you can see no more now. You see no more now. We police I say power party they pass it in my before.
With Injambo na here.
He say no dey give chance. He say he want for no side care take am go. Why you no one come na the yard thing now? But anyway, we will meet inside there. My name na Aliyu.
And me na Justin.
This na the program.
We are
not going on side. When they come back, Jason. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here to and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you. It's all like say some amount of news them don't plenty now we are there. From $80 for UA1 for go now we are. You for pay $80 for corona test. $80 for corona test inside we are. If you not so that you not go able for fly go inside we are. When you want come back, you for pay $80.
No, wait. You mean that money where government they take to people them na airport?
Yeah. Now you for corona test. You one kind of we had $80. You one go $80.
Power new direction.
Then just don't tell me now say, well, if you go past 5 days inside we yard, you no need for do the test again. Then for the stuff then they get game. They really get game. And not to just that no more. Something happened at airport then 2 days here.
Yes, because myself see
on
one
Friday.
video where they go around on the social media, but they talk them just like this. All man they give your own story.
But for let yourself get an idea, let me play this video for you and let you see them. Maybe you yourself get way how you go interpret Sunday. No one knows how to come back just now.
Today on the day, today na airport. Today, they don't pull all man do today na airport. they say all man they go today inside. They say pass them police. But I watch some of people in the airport. All man they do the office. They say from bank people, nobody need to go inside airport today. From bank security, fire force, nobody need to walk. They say come up from above. They nobody don't for walk. I see the gates, everybody there do. Yeah. Today. They say we not for go inside airport. They say airport we not forget work today. We don't know what's happen. They don't explain you nothing. They just they say memo come out say we not for go inside. Nobody.
You don't know no. Nine that too. Now the thing that but this one we get beaucoup explanation. We be even feel say na the pa na the one come, but they normally people and see because of in condition.
Well, yes, because according to the man we talking at the video, say they just stop them. You know, able give you no reason. We make them stop them. They talk, they stop them. They not give them go inside. They don't know until they go on. But I think say other people them give you other parts of the story.
And the airport authority then self been pull a word when they say that because of the corona test. But you know what beat me imagination.
No,
talk to different people then. What beat me imagination at this. Normally the staff them at the airport supposed to put the mask, face mask. when they go work, they're supposed to forget the ID card them for identify them saying I didn't they work. But they're not being do them, and the airport authority all this time don't they ignore that kind of thing a day. So NACOVAC and the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation go pay visit to them, and then they notice say the airport na free bottle. All man go, all man carry once. So then begin for talk by the management. What will happen next? The management gap. Say today nobody need enter there. If you not get ID card, you enter. If you not put face mask, and they not even explain to people police are not also them do this business. Take and small. And they not even explain to people they just stop them. Now that make the confusion be all around. But anyway, now the thing and the thank God. Now people they don't understand. But when I say at times the management una can care, so una need for put things them in place for let things them go on the right way. You understand it? But if at times una they do certain things them we not really right, then that's not a problem.
When make people and some of them things are already happen now we had make people not even convinced up to now say corona is real now we had. Because as international airport of we had, people they go work without face mask, people they go work without hand sanitizer and other things them way they're supposed to do for make people themselves where then they tackle where they come believe say corona then we had, then no they do them until when a minister want pay a visit or they don't suspect say the minister there around now the time that they go tap people and I get say una for do this when una not be done tell people them before una say no used to una the boss them. We do that act today. Una no be they put all that things there into practice. How now they able to make people that believe say corona is real?
And the thing we don't happen now like September it cut.
Yeah, because they do them, they not do them for save the lives of Sierra Leoneans. They do them for satisfy the minister.
And the NACOVAC
for NACOVAC
for sure say on top of we game with the kick we game. But anyway, things then the way they happen. This one we don't talk, so I don't think they get the discussion today.
Yes.
But I ask you a question. We caretaker 1996 election. They may say SLPP former caretaker Ahmad Tijan Kaba. Na corona?
Left. Na sneeze I just sneeze maybe.
Not to corona, eh?
A corona.
Right. They say he not win the election against Kaifa Smart. But Oman be say no, he win. Now that thing that was Dorata. Zabia, Temu Bangura. Dorata. At the time they come when they support SLPP under former caretaker Ahmad Tijan Kaba for let them win the election and we be say yes they win the election. But caretaker tell we inside one video say he no know people they don't understand how he been kick the game and waiting he been do. You be don't hear that video then?
Well, I be don't listen to that video. I be don't watch myself that talk that one the way really shocked me because as a caretaker of Wiyad for make you tell we the people of Wiyad say other people that don't know how you be stood up for make SLPP kind of power. You pull one close and put on another close, make SLPP kind of power. Now, a shocking statement that day from Wiki Atika.
So you be here?
Of course.
Okay, sometimes you know you're here. Listen and find one, listen and me, and not talking and secret place to your members then. Listen up when they come back, gist now.
Feel it in this party.
Yes.
When it was all dark and doom, I know where I stood until this party came back to power in 1996. I have never explained how they came to power, and we not do so tonight.
That's true.
But I know that they didn't just win. We didn't just win. I wasn't a part at the time of the party. I wore green, but a different green.
Well, now in that too, we always can tell Unanaya say, Not to we say, waiting then they do and waiting then they talk. Now on top day we self they can't talk. But it's still not tap day. I think this now just an intro from Wiki Atika.
Then get one song. One long time ago, one film they call Two Confession. Two Confession. Nike Atika do. I wish I can sabi sing.
But you know say,
Wait, sing about?
but you really know say, even witch man, if they hide a secret, say that's the way God is ready for take in life. He must confess all waiting if he don't do that the world before he left the dunya.
What did you try for talk?
Now proverb me just give. Who say one go with me now?
Can't take a novel.
Huh? Waiting?
No.
I don't know. I say witch man we don't do bad for quite a long time. He know they ever keep I die with him.
Oh yeah. But wait, normally the mami elect for post frequently if they do something for the old conference. But the mami then go on private visits. Nah, what's that? How they call that place?
I either say
Lebanon. Nah, they then go in. Then go private visit na Lebanon. But we don't ever see the mami post something.
You be say that everything ever post?
I don't ever hear the mami talk about who's hotel. I don't ever hear you Uda and Uda they meet. Okay. But that woman only hear
Nah, that the Lord left us so.
better if una keep am no more ya. Una keep am. Me I know say some of them things and then are like a smoke. Yeah, where you keep am. If you keep am say where they come on now, you need for
No, but true, not the hide. True, not the hide.
Then say the conscience are like an open wound. Now only the fruit go heal am.
Waiting people and they hide to we. Una way there with caretaker now we are. Una the big one there. Where they with caretaker. Caretaker don't go Lebanon. We don't hear this. We don't hear that. We don't hear But here we ace up now and we hide the watch.
But now why we keep go for the path?
Well, in a private visit.
I'll tell you
so-
something. Okay, let me
It
go
is
into
of
this.
matter.
And hear them say it not well. Then it not well. Normally sick, you know the talk when it can when it go. So if really you sick, you say I will go for 1 week for medical checkup. Then the sick go worse. You know where to control like
But wait. You must reach under all.
not so bad.
Now, this
But wait,
application
what
is
did they
top.
go do now Lebanon for medical treatment? Every day they ask.
Maybe the man get Lebanese party there, so if you decide to go work,
So na scholarship again.
What it concern you?
Na scholarship.
You don't know.
Then me talk one word today. Where they say that spell no check. Remember how they talk?
Me much no, they no can give me no.
No,
can
I want
give me-
you show me.
No can put much on the.
They spell like opunka. What's that opunka?
Until you know how open can open. All can bridge the patay.
Spell no check. Just
Let
go.
no check.
Not
It just a go like open car.
No sabi. Anyway, spell no check. The party get free salary, but no, it don't. No one tell me no more say they on sick leave. I think they on sick leave.
Until you get the medical paper for a caretaker.
Because we can need for take excuse. You need for give me medical paper before I pay am for this month.
For caretaker use for go like I trade on court.
No, but this one different. That the investors there they go for.
Wait there.
You not be able than the EKS.
Eh?
No, you not be able that Chinese restaurant bank plant.
The investor they will be go cost trouble na Makeni. The investor they will go cost trouble na Pandemba go Tongo. Eh?
Something are more investors than the country.
When that then are the investors we don't care.
Private VC. Anyway, but plenty things and the way they happen now we had. Where somebody be don't talk a long ago. Alpha side Bangura, eh? Alpha side we tell us like perfect.
Okay. Not to that man.
Where then are the strategic communication unit right now inside Ministry
Alpha
of
side
Information.
do.
Bangura, if we get one program called Capo Sense.
Say Kapu full.
No, so you call them Kapu sense.
And
Normally, no, wait, no. Now Kapu sense, you know why I say so? Plenty of the things that we talk, if we had people and be listening.
Okay, yes, that corrects me all. Enough full.
Yes.
It really gets sense.
If they be listening to them, they're not for being going to this kind of nearly all of what he talk now too.
Then you are very
He
sorry.
say
It
the
gets sense.
caretaker violence, the caretaker the divide people, the caretaker tribalistic, the caretaker everything.
They bring talk green and the SLPP.
No, but wait. All of them things they tell me that also. But wait, no more jump step. You know, want for listening to our first side do that part they get sense of me and lekker. Low listen now. I come back just now.
Me salon fambul dem unado this Alpha Saidu Bangura they bring to una another edition of Kapu Sense No Kapu Word today Monday September 11 2017. In this edition I dey appeal to members of the Sierra Leone People's Party, the SLPP in particular, and to Sierra Leoneans in general, for make we not ever elect Julius Maada Bio as SLPP, the flag bearer, or Awujue Bila as president of Sierra Leone. I go can give you boku reasons why for make Julius Maada Bio flag bearer for the SLPP go be detrimental. It go dey against the moral standing of the SLPP. I go also show na boku reasons why it would not be in the interest of the SLPP for elect Prince Adin as national chairman and leader of the SLPP. The SLPP don't pull word say this Friday will they come, September 15, they will begin the national convention and it will last Sunday, September 17. Therefore, all throughout this week, I go to run the records and past performances of all the one them we want for all office na the SLPP, because I don't go want let the SLPP go pick the wrong people them we go can multiply the party in problem and we go put the party on a bad shape and bad footing. I want let we just look the activities of Julius Maada Bio from 2012 to now, we now 2017. In 2012, members of the SLPP then take the party flag, then give Julius Maada Bio. They raise boku money for support Julius Maada Bio for let he go be president of Sierra Leone. We within SLPP North America alone, we send $110,000. The first thing where the national executive we been there attended, headed by Mr. John Benjamin, decide now for set up a fundraising committee where go gather money for support that election day. The party been decide for make Dr. Kadi Sise and Momodu Koroma be co-chair of that committee day. But when Julius Maada Bio can pick Kadi Sise as his running mate, now the National Executive Council of the party decide say let Kadi Sise come out that committee day because they don't make him vice presidential candidate. Now Julius Maada Bio say no, na Kadi Sise he want. The party say okay, they allow him. The party been get in bank accounts, they will say they keep money. Julius Maada Bio instructs Kadi Sise for go open a different account. Now one bank would then call Guarantee Bank. And in the Julius Maada Bio and Kadi Sise, now there have been signatories to that account today. According to clear evidence we available, Kadi Sise in committee gather over $1 million during that period today. Today, they refuse for produce all the financial records wey go include receipts wey dey justify how dem spend that money dey, for make the party go conduct a proper audit keeping in line with the constitution of Sierra Leone. Kadisi say go na a national executive council meeting, he go read a financial report, and in that report he willfully not include money them with two people and gap, and luckily them people and them in presence at a meeting day. Then gap, they say them in give money to Kadisi say for the campaign, and in the Kadisi say acknowledge that the first person na Ambassador Ali Bangura, the second person na Mr. Andrew Kaili. At that point, the committee, the National Executive Committee say that report today we Kadisi say they submit to them, it's not complete. So let's go complete it. Then set up another subcommittee for go look at that report today, and that committee today was headed by J.D. Rogers. That committee they can report back say Kadisi say not able for properly account for boku money we handle, and because of that 30 day where Kadisi say not well right now, they're not able for conduct the audit, and that one day don't broke the laws of the party. After that, the party can elect the Sumano Koppen executive. That executive day right now, the term don't expire. For more than 30 days, all the money where they don't handle, they're not able to account for it. We now North America recently, not to even take them all, we give them $30,000 as we membership dues. Then during the voter registration, we send $19,000 to them as we help. That one day, if you add them all together, it's about $49,000. Before that registration they begin, Martha Kanabo, the national treasurer of the SLPP, say the party broke, the party no get penny. Now, from 2012 to now 5 years, where the Sumano Koppen executive don't they're not able to raise funds, the party broke. And what that they mean? Now that people are not even they pay their membership dues. Membership in a political party, not you sustain, you maintain them by paying your dues. If you not pay your dues, then you not a member. Them people will not be the paid dues. Now they make binding decisions for we, not the SLPP. That is wrong. Now this convention, when I say go begin Friday, September 15, we will get a little over 600 delegates. 98% of them not to members of the SLPP because they'll not be the paid dues. If you wanna believe say that they lie, it's simple. Let Mata pull the records for sure say all them people them where they go vote now this convention where they come for we national executive and the flag bearer are paid up members. Because when if you get a receipt, he will get the copy of that receipt there, and the financial records will show that. Because if all them people left, almost 2 million supporters there with this party get all over the world, if they all they paid dues, like how we own and not the way they are North America, they pay we dues every month, then the party not for broke. And it is also the responsibility of the national executive for the raise funds for maintain and sustain the party. So if they're not able to do that, then it means that national executive they don't fail in its responsibilities. And then delegates them work up or go vote at this convention. We're not to members, that will be unlawful, it will be illegal. If you not pay dues, you're not to member, you not get right for vote. But the national executive go allow them people and they for vote, because according to them, all them people and they then delegates and they don't pledge their allegiance to Julius Maada Bio. They don't assure they say that Julius Maada Bio then they go vote for. That is wrong. If you know they pay your dues, you know to member, you not get voting right. The constitution is clear on that. That is back na common sense. But Prince Adin and others, they don't care about that. What they care about now for go coronate Maada Bio, regardless of the fact that Maada Bio gets a bad public record. They know very well say when Maada Bio been there na NPRC, he violently attack Valentine Strasser for Pulam as head of state and impose himself. They also know say from when Maada Bio come na the SLPP to today, it don't bring violence and thuggery that the party. Every day, Maada Bio is supported and the cost at the party office, then the feds people left. Then turn out to put all that thing and they tarnish the reputation and the good name of the SLPP. But Prince Adin, they don't care about that. What they don't care about, now for go coronate Maada Bio at the detriment of the party. Julius Maada Bio get a record for treat women and bad. Not to 1, not to 2, not to 3, not to 4. And the SLPP also get as one of its core values respect for women them, respect for picking them, respect for everybody. Julius Maada Bio not get respect for nobody, and he has manifested that in various ways. But Prince Adin and others, they don't care about that. What they don't care about now for go coronate Maada Bio, because Maada Bio don't promise for give them position if he win the election. So now that position they now Prince Adin just care about. Prince Adin, President Ahmad Tijan Kabate can make a minister. He be Minister of Mines, he be Minister of Transport. He didn't say President Ahmad Tijan Kabate come, he sack him because of the bad work we do. Prince Adin not care about that. He not care about his bad record. He just want to be national chairman and leader of the SLPP so that he will continue for the make money that the party aid. Members of the SLPP, una member about the interest of the SLPP. Una put the interest of the SLPP first. Una member say, if una get bad leader them, like Julius Maada Bio and Prince Adin, then go give the party bad name like how they get, so then go continue for give the party bad name. Them people are they're not good. For more Julius Maada Bio come, if they go and hala say na unpopular pass all man. But today, you know, tell we how many people they in don't bring come that the party. Almost dues they don't pay. Almost money in don't get that for this party. Because according to the party in treasurer, the party broke. So that they clearly should say Julius Maada Bio, no, there is no funds for this party. So waiting a so-called popularity they benefits the party, me no. Pass it, they bring feds and hala. People and they drag the party go court all the time because they know they do the right thing. Prince Adin and others know they do the right thing. If we get a national executive where election for flag bearer on or the national executive not even take place yet, then don't determine say that Julius Maada Bio then go be flag bearer, and then where they support Julius Maada Bio now they no more go all national executive positions, then you go know say them people are in trouble. They want to continue for bring Canada this party. They not like the party at all. Them people them will like the party. They not they behave like how Prince Adin they behave. They not they behave like how Maada Bio they behave. Them people that will like the party, they know they suspend and expel members them na the party. Because they will understand say in politics na addition and multiplication they. Not to subtraction and division, But Julius Maada Bio, because of his selfish needs, he don't divide the party. He don't segment the party. He don't bring chaos and contophily na the SLPP. I want let the true and genuine members of the SLPP sit down, men, and think properly. Let them ask their conscience. Let them ask themselves if, with all Maada Bio in bad record, with all the things that we Maada Bio don't do, for example, Maada Bio, he thief with money na Salome, the way he imposed himself as head of state to the tune of over $600,000. He can't America, he buy us cash. I want let the two SLPP members they ask if that is what you want in your next flag bearer, or if that kind person they una want for be the next SLPP president. Whose kind bad name una think say Julius Maada Bio go give the party based on a record, the thing the way he don't do, the thing the way himself not able to deny because he know say they're not true. What una think say go happen to this party at this difficult time if una make Prince Adin we get bad record, Prince Adin we President Ahmad Tidiane Kaba sack as minister, national chairman and leader of the party. Prince Adin not be national chairman, he got one time, he said he don't expel the elected national chairman and leader, Chief Sumano Kapel. That for clearly show sober-minded SLPP members them how Prince Adin talk, whose kind character he get. Julius Maada Bio, una no make him president yet. He don't begin they divide the party. He don't begin, they make sure say, then they victimize, then they molest, then they disgrace people, them who know the supporter. If una can make a leader now, what do you think say go do? Una ask una self, then genuine questions then they. And I sure say if una get genuine answers, then now this convention will come. The true loving SLPP members and the people who they put the interests of the party above their own personal interests. They not go vote for Julius Maada Bio nor Prince Adin because they get bad record. Then are wicked people. That people who not like the SLPP at all. Members of the SLPP, all throughout this week, I going to give you sufficient evidence. I going to show you beaucoup reasons why una not for vote for Julius Maada Bio, una not for vote for Prince Adin. Una not for vote for Abbas Bundu. Una not for vote for Ali Badara Kamara. Because of the record, the thing they don't do.
Thank you very much, Alpha Saidu Bangura.
No, Alpha Saidu Bangura.
Obongu. You know, today, we just decide for do this way. The main thing today, now for Leona able to listen to Alpha Saidu Bangura and judge waiting in talk and waiting the happen right now we had. All them things here where Alpha Saidu say, we don't know. But we not self help we not talk anything without una your support. All waiting Alpha Saidu say and waiting the happen now we had.
Now
true
or na lie?
On a lie.
You let Falamaka Tawa the top of the most fala. But wait, now you will ask so now. Help me in the comment section below. I don't tell you put on the screen before. The police are today on top of it again. So help me in the comment section below and tell me what do you think this person where Alpha Saidu been talk about with the caretaker again now are the same? The thing all where Alpha Saidu be don't talk with waiting the happen right now are the same or different? Help me in the comment section below.
Same way so, now so we decide for do am today. But not the grab here and not tell una waiting I use for tell una when I do season advice.
Yeah.
Do ya me fumble them. Let we take time. We don't the end the rain season them now. Let we still add for put more effort for make we avoid the trouble where water can cause now we had. When rain dark or rain they come, as usual, waiting ablante una now for implement the same thing for avoid problem. Until we meet again at the next program, me na Justin.
We get we WhatsApp group where normally we can discuss things then day and then we can get some fun day. Also we all can meet up and talk some funny things then, yeah. So if you get interest, check the description below and then you will get the number there where you can request and then yeah, possibly then you get for LP for like join day. Yeah, so now the order today now for just get a fun, we can talk different things than they, you know, but the only thing we respect each other views and we know waiting. So one more time, I want to say big shout out to all the members them now the WhatsApp channel, as they do a very good job for make sure say the channel they go on. How you supposed to go? Ain't it? Justin, now while you come on now I want go.
Number 9 for left me here.
If the caretaker no can go no side.
Caretaker. Well, I think I need for left you now because if you say I caretaker the way someone, you don't get for waiting they do.
The 50,000 challenge, you avoid that. Who for you 50,000?
Yes, I know. And you see the amount of the right now.
Right now we don't slow because we are not the great share with program again. Not because we know they can have everything. No, now give me some good time. Okay, not to power anything like. Anyway, on behalf of me and the technical producer and then the producer now, we want to say thank you for our journey today. Una don't forget we still plan for begin come back to on Wednesday, but it's not easy. It's not for we really not easy. You know, we get for try very hard and other things then they will need for put in place. But until we meet again, my name is Aliyu, and this me producer now. We are. Bye bye. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All waiting you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.